tail. Scoot back a little.
Okay.
Look at me. Riley, look at me. Say hi, Nana.
Hi, Nana.
Tell her you love her.
I do.
Do you miss her?
Yeah.
Do you want her to come home?
Come home.
Yeah, come home, Nana.
Come home, Nana.
I miss you.
I miss you. I miss you.
Do you miss her a lot? See, Nana has crazy hair because my mommy messed it up.
Mommy messed it up.
So she blow dried it.
I blow dried it.
Yeah.
I blow dried it, Nana.
Do you miss her? Do you want her to come home? Where are you going? What? Come back here. Who? Nana?